Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you looking for a storage solution for all those magazines that are lying around your house? Well, I've got a simple idea for you. Why don't you build a magazine holder just like this, where you can store all those magazines. The tools and materials required to complete your magazine holder are one laminated pine board, 120 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 18 millimeters thick. You will also need a circular saw, a jigsaw, a drill with an 8mm wood drill bit. You'll need paint. In this case, we're using Fired Earth chalk paint. You'll need an undercoat wood primer, paintbrush, sandpaper, a file, a combination square, a pencil, and a tape measure. Well, the first thing you need to do is cut your 1.2 meter pine board in half with the circular saw. If you don't have this, don't worry, you can use Builders' friendly cutting service to cut the board in two. In the middle of each board, draw one rectangle of 15 centimeters by 18 millimeters wide. Cut the length of the rectangles using the jigsaw. Then make a hole at one of the corners in order to cut out the width of the rectangle. File, then sand. Paint one board with one color and paint the other. Leave to dry for 2 hours and then slot the two boards together to complete your magazine holder. And there you go, your magazine holder looks fantastic. All you needed was 2 coats of paint, slot it together, let it dry before putting those magazines in there. All the products we used in this inserts are available at your local Builders or online. Well, for more projects just like this, please go to our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.